Liver processes everything we eat and drink. Liver helps our body to take in nutrients from our food and turn them into energy. Liver also removes toxins and old damaged blood cells out of the body. When this process is disrupted, it can cause the waste product bilirubin to build up. It can result in jaundice. When you eat and drink, it has a direct impact on your liver function. So, it is important to eat a healthy diet to keep your liver work more effectively and clear excess toxins from your body. Jaundice is a build-up of bilirubin in the blood. Bilirubin is a yellow pigment released during the breakdown of red blood cells. Too much of this pigment causes your eyes, skin and gums to turn yellow. Jaundice majorly causes in newborns, young children and immune compromised adults. So it is important to plan your diet when you are suffering with jaundice. Staying hydrated is one of the best ways to keep your liver recover from jaundice. Water not only helps to ease digestion, but it also helps the liver and kidneys flush out toxins. Fresh vegetables and fruits contain powerful antioxidants and fiber that can help limit your liver damage during metabolism and ease in digestion. So if you are suffering with jaundice, try to eat papayas, melons, pumpkins, sweet potatoes, avocados, tomatoes, carrots, beetroots, ginger and garlic, spinach, cauliflower, broccoli, cranberries, blueberries and grapes. It is important to avoid or limit highly processed and refined sugars such as high fructose corn syrup. Herbal teas contain high doses of antioxidants. So if you are suffering with jaundice, you can try to take herbal tea with advice of doctors. Walnuts and legumes are usually rich in healthy fats and fiber. Studies shows that walnuts and other tree nuts are beneficial to liver function when consumed regularly. Jaundice may occur due to two types. One is infection through contaminated water. Other is germs transmitted through dirty needles and body fluids. The waterborne jaundice takes less time to recover compared to other types. Symptoms of jaundice is nausea and vomiting. Juices of citrus foods will help to recover fast from jaundice. Vitamin C is a natural form which helps to boost immunity and helps the person to recover faster. Proteins play a vital role in building muscles and repairing tissues. So if you are suffering with jaundice, try to take protein source foods as they are having good amino acids which are essential for regeneration of the liver, leading a speedy recovery from jaundice. Include plenty of dals, pulses, legumes, a small portion of lean meat and paneer. Coconut water contains plenty of nutrients that are beneficial for liver. It is a good source of antioxidants which helps in fighting the free radicals that can damage your system. Coconut water not only boosts your immunity but also prevents reoccurrence of jaundice. A fiber-rich diet that contains almonds, berries, whole grains like brown rice and oats can increase your immunity, regulate your bowel movement and improve the progression of bile juice in the liver. So try to take as much fiber food as you can. So friends, if you are suffering with jaundice, it is advised to eat in small portion but to eat more frequently. Drink a lot of water and take a lot of rest for a quick recovery. If you like this video, share this video to your friends and family members, and don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.